Hello everyone, welcome in my channel. So today I am going to start the new topic in the MQTT section. So topic is what MQTT Explorer. In the previous, I explained with different examples related to the topic. So many topics I have taken. So publisher, subscriber, I demonstrated each and everything, but that is on the command prompt. But see here, you should know, means we have a lot of pages. So another is what MQTT Explorer. Actually, this is the application through which you can, means it is just like a subscriber. If you publish something, so it is displaying. It is displaying here. Okay, so very good application this one. But first you need to download and install this one. So explaining one by one how to download, how to install, and how to use this one, and how beneficial this is in the MQTT concepts. So discussing one by one is things. So what is our today agenda? Which type of software I need? So download that one, install that one, then how to use that one, and last demos on the MQTT Explorer. So this is the agenda, how to use MQTT Explorer. So see here, it is the application. So another application. Previously, I tested each and everything on the command prompt, but I can test also on this application known as MQTT Explorer. So it acts like a subscriber. Okay. So any publisher publishes the data, so that information is displaying here. Okay, on that particular topic. Not only this one, means also it work in the reverse order. Means from the MQTT Explorer you can publish something on the particular topic, and you can watch on the dashboard of the MQTT Explorer, as well as on the command prompt of the window. Okay, so means in both ways. So watch this one and enjoy this session. So first, very first, to utilize this one, first you have to download the MQTT Explorer, then install that one, then I will demonstrate how to use that one. So all steps for the MQTT Explorer is, so see, very first you have to download. So just on the Google, just type MQTT Explorer download for Windows 10. Then you have there's so many lists. Among those lists, you will see like this MQTT Explorer, and all round MQTT client that provides. So just you have to choose this one. Understand? Okay, so don't be confused. That's why I have shown this in the PPT. So it looks like after downloading, when you go into that site, into this site, then it looks like this one, MQTT Explorer. Okay, so you have the download option. Just click on this. So downloading will be started. Then after downloaded, and not downloading, it will give you options, according to which operating system you need this. Okay, so according to your OS, whether it is Windows, whether it is Mac, whether it is Ubuntu, then accordingly you have to choose the particular one. So here you have to click on this. So choose according to the operating system. So whatever the case, so it looks like this one, MQTT Explorer, developer tools, development kits. Just you have to click on the get. It is the free. Okay, no need of paying something. So just click on the get. So downloading will be started now. So after downloading this one, then you have to install. So after downloading, it looks like this one, MQTT Explorer setup. Okay, so what just you have to double click on this. Just installation is started. After installation, then it is time to use to test that one. So how to use that is the complicated thing. So my purpose is to showcase that demo especially. As downloading and installation is the easy things. So next demo for the MQTT Explorer. Okay, so see here, very first on the Google you have to type just type what MQTT Explorer. Windows. So here you see the first option. Okay, so just click on this. Yes, as I told you in the PPT presentation, so it looks like this one. I'm going to record. So here just click on this one. Just clicking on this one. So download it is started. Okay, so although miss you should pick the different one also. So I am stopping this one. Already I have downloaded that one, so it is a waste of time. I think this should be. I think this should be. So you have to choose the particular one. So set up this one. Just clicking on this, what happens? Okay, so download MQTT Explorer. So I am not downloading. Okay, it is waste of time. So just I tried to show you how to get on that link. So I'm canceling this one. This is the good one. Now I'm showing is what does it looks like. So here this one means in my system MQTT Explorer setup 0.40.0 beta 1. Okay, so this is that one. So means what you have to install this one. Already I have installed that one, so I'm not showing that one. Very simple process. Okay, now after installation just I am opening that one. So here on the taskbar it is shown here. So see here it looks like this one. Okay, so first means first two is available by default mqtt.access.org, test.mosquito.org. These two are added by me. Okay, so first I'm clicking this one. Here you can write anything. Test localhost. Okay, and here you need to supply either localhost or 127.0.0.1 anything. Okay, and port is, remember, port is for 1883. It is fixed. Now just connect this one. Now see here what message it is giving us: disconnected from server. It means see here it is the application guide. So first you need to start your server, local server, which you have installed, means which I explained in the previous demo. Okay, so first you need to start the service. So how to do, already I told you. Is we have the two ways. Just this is the one way. Mosquito broker, it is automatic. Just click on what, start the service, or right click here and start. So now this service is started now. Understand? So whenever that service is started, now what happens? You are observing this is available. Okay, this is available. Now, so see here how to use this one. Okay, first focus on this one. This is your MQTT Explorer application. Actually, it is a subscriber. Okay, whenever any publisher publishes the information, that information will be seen here. Understand? So for just testing purpose, so see here. Just a minute. I am taking some example here. So first, write the topic. Here I am taking the topic test my topic topic 1, and this the topic, and now here just give the message what hello from what MQTT Explorer, any message. Now just watch on the right side here, sorry, left side here. Okay, so this is related to the system, means what it is connected to the internet, so that one means all the information are here. Okay, so but I am not discussing about the cloud concept, just I am testing locally. Okay, so you should be confused. Okay, you may be confused, so don't observe this one. Later I will discuss this one. First, coming here, so now click on the publish. Observe when you press here, so what is happening, you observe the change here, one topic, one message, extra things you are watching. Now what is that one? So test topic is what? Test. Under test we have the my topic, so this is the message, so you are observing this message. Okay, again I am changing this one. Suppose here I am giving what message, hello to, just publish. What you are observing, hello 2 from MQTT Explorer. Next I am taking hello 3, just click on the publish. So what you are watching, hello 3. Again now I am changing the topic. Now I am taking the topic test my topic 2. Now I am giving just the same, just changing the message, hello 4. Now watch in the left side. Okay, so what is happening, so you are observing test is common but topic is different, my topic 1 above and below my topic 2. So hello from MQTT Explorer. Again I am changing here, suppose hello 5, so publish. What you are watching, hello 5 from that one. Again 6, that one. Okay, suppose I am changing the topic also, test my topic 3. Now giving the message here, publish. Now what you are watching means you miss one extra topic is added here, my topic 3, hello 6 from MQTT Explorer. Understand? So hope miss very simple application. This is how to use this one. So this is the way, but means there is a very important points, means now I am going to open the what command. Okay, command prompt. Now try to publish some information from the command prompt, and also try to publish some information like this from the MQTT Explorer. Then what is happening? First let me minimize this one. Okay, now let me open the command prompt. Okay, so first what I have to do, first I have to go into that one. No need of going there, just what I have to do, just a minute. It is waste of time, so it is better to take from the, okay, I have to write something here, just a minute. Now just making the change here, test my topic 1. Okay, okay, fine. Another is what, same thing, like now. Okay, test my topic 1, some information here, suppose hello from etc. Okay, so remember this one. Now what I should do, just okay, now So here is that one. A mosquito sub happen localhost port my 1883, and this is the topic test my topic one. Okay, this is done. Next, what I should do, just a minute. As I have to open the another one also. Okay. So one is for the publisher and one is for the subscriber. Okay. Now for the publisher, just make the copy and paste from this. Control C. Now Control V. Yes. So first it is tested already. First already I have started the mosquito server service, then it is happening. Now just I want to show you in the both way, means from the command prompt and from that mosquito, sorry, MQTT Explorer. So what is happening, guys? Okay, so just a minute. So it is better to take the both one. Okay, what I have to do? Actually, I need the whole things. Okay, no problem. So very first, let me publish the message from the MQTT Explorer once again. But which topic? I am taking the topic what one. Okay, which message? Same hello. Suppose I am taking hello 100. Okay, now watch. So what you are watching here means on the command prompt hello 100 from MQTT Explorer. Okay, so means very excellent way. Suppose I am changing this one hello one, publish. Again I am changing this one, yes. Okay, now what I am trying to do means I am taking one more command prompt for the another subscriber. Okay, CMD. So here, just a minute. This is the another subscriber. So copy the first one. Okay. Now Control V, and which what is the topic for this one? 2. I am choosing the 2. Yes, enter. Okay, now coming here. So but how we can visualize it, that must be here. So okay. So what is the way? Just oh, no problem, I am taking here, so you can visualize the message. What happens? Yes, now I am changing the topic 2. Test my topic 2 and same message. Now means in the below you observe the message. Okay, you observe the message. Again I am changing the topic 1. So same message. Now you are observing there again, etc. Now I am changing the topic again here 2. Suppose I am giving the 3. So here what 3? Not showing the message here because these two subscribers are related to different topics, topic 1 and topic 2. Okay, so for the topic 3 you have to open the another terminal. Okay, now what happens if I try to send the message from here? Okay, so again definitely you will observe the data here. So for example, same thing, but hello from CMD, yes, I'm clicking, but which topic it is? Topic 1, no problem. So here just hit the enter. What you are watching, hello from CMD, and also at the same time you observe the message here. Okay, once again just observe, just changing the message hello 2 or 111. Okay, hit. So what hello 1111, and here also 1. you are watching. Once again, changing the message, something like this, and hit enter. Okay, so here you can observe the message. Yes, so this is the way. Now what I am doing means also already I explained this one. So means what is the conclusion? In the both way you are watching from the command. If you are supplying any message from the command prompt, you are observing that here in the particular topic. If you are publishing some message from the MQTT Explorer, then you are observing that message here and also on the command prompt. Okay, so very good application this is. You must do sufficient practice, because in the future I am going to start some IoT related concepts, okay, projects. So it means such topic will help you there. Okay, so once again, what is the main points here? You should understand about this one. So here you have the history. So for example, means this is the history, means at which time which message comes here, etc. Suppose clicking here, so history appears related to topic 2. Here history appears related to topic 1, etc. Now just observe, means I am clicking on the sys on the broker. Okay, so choose any one, publish message. Now here you can watch the history, okay, etc. So this is the related to that one, calls. Okay, but I am not focusing here, I am focusing on my own message. Okay, means not discussing about the cloud, just discussing about the local MQTT broker. So I hope means you are means getting knowledge day by day related to the MQTT. So meeting you in the next topic. So enjoy the session. Okay, meeting you once again. Thank you for watching.